Happy learning, dear students. Today we will see how to solve the system of equation using the substitution method. There are two equations given in the question. 2x plus y is equal to 11. 4x minus 3y is equal to 7. So in order to solve the system of equation using the substitution methodology, first of all, out of the two equations, let's start with the first one. 2x plus y is equal to 11. So from this, we get y is equal to 11 minus of 2x. Okay. We put this value of y in the second equation. 4x minus of 3, and in the place of y, you can replace it with 11 minus of 2x is equal to 7. Let's try to resolve this. 4x minus 33. Minus into minus will be plus. So plus 6x is equal to 7. So 4x plus 6x is 10x equal to 7 plus 33. So we get 10x is equal to 40. Therefore, x value will be 4. Okay. Once you have found out the value of x, very easily you can find the value of y. So y is equal to 11 minus of 2 into 4, 11 minus 8, therefore y value is equal to 3. So whenever you represent any point in graph, the value of x should be represented first followed by y. Therefore, the point of intersection is nothing but 4, 3. Okay, fine. Now, let's try to plot this in the graph. The first equation is 2x plus y is equal to 11. So in my previous video, I told you how to solve the system of equations using the graphical method, where whenever you have an equation like this, you have to bring it in a format of y is equal to mx plus b, so that the slope and the y-intercept can be derived easily. So let's bring this equation in the format of y is equal to mx plus b. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2x plus 11. I have just reframed the equation 1. Okay. And I'm trying to bring this in the format of y is equal to mx plus b. So once you compare the equation with the formula, we tend to find the slope value m is equal to minus 2 and the value of b is 11. B is nothing but it is the y-intercept, means that it is a point in y. So your x value will be 0 and your y value will be 11. So let's plot this 0, 11 in the graph. So in the graph, we know that this represents x-axis and this represents the y-axis. So let's plot the point 0, 11. Now I need to locate the second point in the graph. To locate the second point in the graph, we have to make use of the slope. The slope goes with the formula of rise divided by run. So here your rise value is minus 2 and the run value is obviously 1. Minus 2 means you need to decrement the value of 11 by 2. Imagine I have plus 2 here. So if I have a plus 2 here, then you need to push the second point to 13. As I'm having minus 2 here, I'm decrementing the value to, so 10, 9. Okay, I have decremented 2 value, and run you have the value 1 over here, means I need to push the value towards my right hand side with 1. So this point is nothing but it is 1, 9. I hope you get the point, right? Similarly, let's go and plot the third point. So decrement again by 2, 1, 2, and then push the value towards your right hand side by 1. I'm sorry, here. So the value will be 2, 7. Again, try to decrement the value here. 6 and 5. Increment the value by 1. So it becomes 3, 5. Okay. So like this, we are going to plot the various points and then you are going to draw the line. Okay. Similarly, replicate the same for the second equation. 4x minus 3y is equal to 7. So now let's try to bring the same equation in the format y is equal to mx plus b. So minus 3y is equal to minus 4x plus 7. Minus y is equal to minus of 4 by 3 x plus 7 by 3. Okay. I'm trying to bring this equation in the format of y is equal to mx plus b. Now, instead of minus y, I need to bring it to positive y, right? Then only I can get n aligned with the equation y is equal to mx plus b. So now let me write y is equal to 4 by 3x minus of 7 by 3. So I'm going to interchange the equations here in order to bring 4x minus 3y in the format of y is equal to mx plus b. Now let's try to plot the equation. So m value is nothing but it is 4 by 3, where 4 represents your rise and 3 represents your run. Similarly, the y-intercept value is minus 7 by 3. So try to solve this equation, plot the graph and let me know in the comments.